IASIS, Interscholastic Association of Southeast Asian Schools. Singapore, Manila, Kuala Lumpur, Bangkok, Jakarta, and Taipei, for some reason. If it wasn't for that thing that happened in 2020, I would have gone to 4 IASIS baseball tournaments. Unfortunately, these pictures and 2 bronze medals are all I have to show for my baseball career. A couple months ago, I got an email. Let me let May 10 Cal explain this bit. So, a couple weeks ago, I got this comment. And at first I thought, this dude's totally trolling. There's no way. I mean, it just sounds too good to be true. And then last week, I got this email. And I was still a little skeptical, because still, it's a little too good to be true. And then yesterday, I got this email. And I was like, alright, bet, we're doing this. So finally, after living in this city for 8 months, I'm finally going to be able to watch a Yankees game. The tickets were in a scam! Let's go! Every couple years, I get sick. This year, I've had COVID, and 3 years ago, I had influenza.
Cal's been a little bit under the weather, so I believe this is his first appearance in the tournament. But I could be wrong on that one. But
I think you're right, partner. Haven't seen him till today.
This is a video of the last IASIS game I ever played back in 2019. Yes, during this game, I was still feverish. Don't do that, by the way, it's not good for your health. I've always been fascinated with the magic sports can have. As a writer, I strive to create stories that inspire others. And I find it disappointing that whenever I ask my film classes if anyone watches baseball or basketball, I'm only ever met with silence. The storylines that sports create in real life are often more magical than anything fictional.
Freeze hits it in the air to center. We will see you tomorrow night.
Iguodala to Curry, back to Iguodala, up for the layup. Oh, blocked by James. LeBron James with the rejection.
He's in. Patriots win the Super Bowl. Brady has his 5th.
And in that IASIS tournament, we had a story for the ages. Baseball varsity rosters at my school are 15 players. Baseball games require 9 players on each side. So when we lost 2 players due to injuries, we weren't worried. 13's still enough. When 2 more guys quit, we still weren't too worried. But then when 1 more teammate left, we knew we were in trouble. It was tough when I then had to tell the guys that I'd be out for a couple days because of my illness. We were down to our minimum of 9. Like all good sports narratives, we had a rival. The ISB Panthers, the team from Bangkok. In 2018, we lost them in the round robin and were forced to play for 3rd.
Oh, and he singles it. Hard single. And the runner will turn. And ISB walks off.
This year, on their home turf, we wanted to get our revenge. Spencer's on the mound. He's 6'2" and pumps high 80s now. But it's still 2019 and he's still just a freshman.
Gotta throw to him.
Out of all the outfielders I've ever played with, Tyler was my favorite. He's got wheels for days and a glove as sure as the rain. But he makes the wrong call here.
Ball's hit hard to center. Looks like center fielder's going to get it. It gets by him. This is going to be extra bases. It's going to clear the bases, I would imagine. Here comes Trent coming home. There's no play. Caden in with a triple.
That's that right center field power.
Just like that, we're down 3-4.
Good things happen.
The Yankees are currently getting shut out, down 3-0. That's bad. My brother sends me this text hoping it works as a reverse jinx.
Run. LeMahieu at 3rd and Judge at 1st. Swung on and hit in the air to right. That ball is high. It is far. It is gone.
Yeah, that's me.
To tie the game. A fly ball right down the line just made the right field seats. It is a Stanton home run.
Coach O'Connell's been in a tough position. Coach for the ISB team, Joel, likes to have the batter come out without any warm-ups. RJ came through yesterday in the same situation, though, so RJ can do an 0-2 and come through with a hit. He did.
0-2 delivery.
Which he did yet again.
Center. They're going to send
Jack.
Here's the play. It's going to be close, people. They got him. He's out.
Like I said, I love Tyler in the outfield. For some reason, despite my head feeling worse than when that girl you like says she's never going to like you back, I was pitching better than I ever had before. This guy plays D3 now.
Strike 3. It's a rare strikeout for Caden.
That was that ball right near the chin. I got a feeling when you're amped and you win a deposit, that can happen. So all these guys got to reset. Cal has proven that he's able to get guys out, that he can strike them out, so they got to reset and have a nice, more balanced approach.
Yeah, that's a huge out for him.
If we could just score just one run to tie the game up, we might get Lady Luck back on our side.
Puts it in play. Pitcher gets it, turns. They get him at first.
I gotta tell you how impressed I've been with Cal. I mean, this guy has been ill for a couple days. I'm pretty sure he's been in bed. And then comes out here, pitches. He's making all the plays. He's getting out the big hitters. I mean, if we could have MVP of the last 2 innings, it'd have to be Cal. I'm pretty sure we don't do MVPs based on that short a time period, but Cal's been that guy.
Well, Aaron has 167 career home runs. He's never had a walk-off home run. That's the
Aaron Judge got a lot of heat for not taking the Yankees' offer of 7 years and $213 million in April. This year, he hopes to prove to potential suitors that he's worth more than $213 million. If he hits a home run right now, the Yankees win, and he'll send thousands of New Yorkers home happy.
The plate. Outfielders are deep. And the 1-2. Drill deep to left field. There it goes! See ya! Up for grabs! There's his walk-off home run, and the Yankees have come back to win it. 6-5. Oh man! What a blast by Judge!
I want to be part of it. New York, New York. I want to wake up in a city that doesn't sleep.
I'll tell you what, Michael, some wins are just more fun than others. And
The power of those mutton chops.
3 years in the past and 14,000 kilometers away, we're down to our last out. No room to fuck up. That's me, and I'm not a good hitter. But we literally have no bench options, so I can't get subbed out.
Ball in play, back to the pitcher. That's going to do it. SAS is still alive.
It seems Lady Luck's on our side after all.
Spoke too soon. Apologize. Sign. Here's the 0-1 delivery. Runner goes. Strike two. He's in safe.
I just stole a base. Out of all the players on the team, my sprint speed is literally average. It seems like Lady Luck is still on our side. Luke's up to bat. He's our leadoff and the guy we love having to start off the game. If he hits me in here, we tie the game, and with the heart of our order coming up, we could win. I could already see the headline. Sickly pitcher throws 4 scoreless innings as battered squad beats a powerhouse team.
It's a sign from the catcher. Checks the runner. 0-2 delivery. Puts the ball out into right field. It's going to fall in front of the right fielder. They're sending him. We got to play at home, and he is out.
Jack Burnett with the throw from right field all the way home and nails him at home. Makes the final out. Brings him into the championship game.
Nice play on the relay throw. Exciting way to end the game.
Maybe that's why a lot of people at film school don't watch sports. The narratives are imperfect, full of what-ifs and regrets. You can't regret what happens in a film. If you don't like where the story goes, you just rewrite. But you can't rewrite life. This video doesn't really have a happy ending, but neither does life. It's full of ups and downs, victories and defeats, exuberant wins and bittersweet losses. And that's just the way it is. See you guys next time. Big shout out to Chuck for getting me these tickets. I'm sorry it took a couple months to make this video. I had to come back to Singapore to get footage and props.